Hello, my darlings, it's Michaela. So I wanted to make this quick video about bracing yourself, and generally these videos are inspired by one of you, but this one was inspired by me. And so what I saw myself doing in the recent past was moving around substantial load without preparing myself, without bracing my body. So shutting a trunk, picking up a heavy bag, having a variety of things in my hands, not necessarily picking up a kettlebell or something like that. But at any rate, I started to see there were these little ooh, yeah, that might not feel so great. And the reason why was because I wasn't supported. So at any rate, the two main areas to think about bracing or supporting when you are going to add more load or more challenge in, whether it's deliberately at the gym or just kind of casually in life, are your shoulders and essentially your, you're protecting your lower back by engaging your hamstrings and your glutes. So packing your shoulders, we've talked about this, I'll attach a video about that. That's engaging your lats, that pulls your shoulders onto your torso. And then whatever else is going to be challenged, whatever else is going to be challenging your body, you have this massive muscle underneath it, and your shoulders are like these little tiny guys aren't doing the job. And then similarly, when we think about sticking out our butt, engaging our hamstrings, using our glutes to pick something up, we take our lower back out of the equation. So whether that's, I'm picking up this end of the couch, I'm picking up these heavy bags, I'm, whatever it might be, basically it just eliminates the question of tweakage in your shoulders or in your back. Okay? So bracing yourself before you do whatever the heck you're doing will basically just prevent injury. It won't stress out little guys that might either be kind of a common cause or area of complaint for you, or something that can accumulate to something significant. Let's prevent it now before it even becomes something. And you get to have a lot more power in doing whatever you're doing. So that means it makes it easier / possible depending on what you're doing. All right? So bracing, packing your shoulders, and then essentially sticking out your butt and getting your hamstrings and your glutes involved. Okay? Doing whatever the heck you're doing. Closing a door, opening a door, moving a revolving door. The more of you that you get involved, the safer you're going to be and the stronger you're going to be. Okay? That is it. That is it. I love you all. I'm not in the office. Happy summer. I hope people are enjoying this hot, hot, hot weather and taking advantage of this season. All right? That's it. I love you. Be in touch for any reason. Okay. Until next time.